Format is that where you write in a proper manner. That means the date, address, okay, salutation, body of the letter, conclusion, and the ending of your letters, right? For example, see, nowadays you students are preparing something, right? Suppose you prepare rice, okay? Are you learning now cooking and all these things nowadays in this lockdown? So will you heat the rice, then you will put water in it? Never. The process is, first you will boil or you will put water in a vessel, okay? Then you will pour some rice and give a boil to it, right, or cook it. So in this way, format is most important thing in your letter. Without format, the letter will consider as a wrong or improper. Fine? Understood? Yes, you cannot use shirt as pant or pant as shirt. It is like that only. So format, let us learn format first. At the beginning you will write sender address. Who is sender? Yes, those who write letter, they are senders. So at the beginning you will write sender address, okay? After writing sender address, suppose, see, you start writing sender address from left side of your writing, okay, left hand side. See, my address is Sriji, height 702, Ravapur Road, Morbi, 3641. Okay, this is my address. See, this is my address. No need to write the sender address, only you need to write your address in it, okay? After writing that, leave one line, skip one line and write the date. And how will you write date? It should be the combination of number and letter. For example, today is 4th of July. Okay, I will write like this: 4th July 20. And also you can write like this: 4 July 20, and you can write July 4 20 or any manner, but there should be combination of number and letter. After writing dates, you will write salutation. Salutation. What is the meaning of salutation? Salutation, that means you greet somebody by saying dear friend, dear ma, dear papa, dear uncle. Okay, if you don't want to write dear, you can write namaskar if they are elder to you. Namaskar uncle, namaskar aunt. Okay, it's completely fine to write namaskar in your letter. There is no compulsory rule to write dear only. Okay, you can write your own greeting, you can say. So here I am writing to my ma. Okay, my mother, she lives far away from you, so I am writing letter to my ma. So I will write namaskar ma. I call my mother ma. That is why. Okay, if you call your mother mummy, you can write mummy. It's okay. After writing namaskar or all this thing, you will put a comma here. Then you start your body of your letter just after the greeting words, right? I'll start with the letter or the word. How are you, Ma? Then I'll write, I hope everything is perfectly good there. Okay, see, very simple things I have written. I have not mentioned anything so important. The common conversation, how are you, hi, hello, I hope you are good, I'm also fine. Whatever it comes to your mind, of whatever the way of your speaking, you can write in this letter. Like the chatting language, that is known as the chatting language. How do you chat? You write in the same manner, chatting language. So in this letter, I'm going to inform my mother that how my neighbor is suffering from corona disease. Okay, we got the news about corona, right, in Ravapur Road. So I'll inform her about this month. Ma, I just writing to you. I just writing to you to share a news about corona. Yesterday when I was taking rest, one of my neighbors, one of, if we use one of, that means the noun would be plural. Okay, one of my neighbors, she called me and informed me about a case of corona detach. See, detach is so hard word for you. Okay, so we will not write detach. Okay, found. Okay, found in our locality. I am so scared because the building is very close to mine. Okay, that means that building is very close to my building. That's why I have written mine. Ma, we are safe, but you take care of yourself and of Papa. Okay, I'm not going to write more. Fine, I'm not going to write more, but in usual normal letter I write so many things about all the matter. Nowadays we are not writing letters and all, but sometimes in a month or in a 15 days I used to write to my father, right? He also replied me like this. So we have a good conversation through letters, you can say. Even we talk in phone, but we less talk in phone, but we write so many things in letters. So it makes practice also how to write letter and how to share your thought and idea in an informal way. You know, you can be open of that, because see, no pause, nothing there. You can write whatever you feel to write and you get your reply after that. So this is the format that I'm going to give. But I see, sender address done, date we have written, salutation we have written, then body of letter. So the details what you write in your letter, that is known as your body of letter. Body of letter. Okay, then after that you will write the conclusion part. Okay, conclusion part. What is the meaning of conclusion? Conclusion means the ending lines. Conclusion means the ending lines, what you write. So what I will write? I will write here that I am looking forward to your reply. Okay, with love, Devi. You can write like this: with love, your daughter Devi, or whatever you can feel comfortable. See, in ending letter you can write anything, like I'm waiting for your letter, I will be wait for your letter, I will be get a positive reply. Suppose it depend on your body of letter, what about you looking for. Okay, you can write anything, or you can also say, please next time come visit to my home, I will be waiting for you. In place of letter, I hope you will be there. Like this, something loving words. Okay, what makes other happy, that words you can write in your letter. Okay dear, see, let us revise it again. Sender address you will write at left part. See, if you can see, I have written all the address and all these things started with left side of the letter. My sign also, ending salute, affixation, conclusion, salutation, date and address, everything is in left side. This is the new format of letter writing. Okay, earlier we are writing something differently, but this is your CBSE pattern, so you follow this. Okay, first we will write address, full address. Okay, full address of yours, that means you will write letter, so full address of yours. I have written sender address, you no need to write these words, this is for example. Okay, you have to write from here, this is your address, then leaving one line you write date, leaving one line salutation. Salutation can be namaskar, dear ma, dear friend, or you suppose you are writing to your brother, dear Amit, Rohan, whatever your brother's name or not. Then at the beginning, this is known as introduction or common conversation start, जहाँ पे हम अपने हाल चाल पूछते हैं और बताते हैं, राइट। तो जब भी लेटर लिखो, एक दूसरे के बारे में एक छोटा सा कन्वर्सेशन रखो, जो कि पूछो उनके हालचाल के बारे में। अगर वो कहीं नई जगह पे गए हैं तो उसके बारे में पूछो, राइट, हाउ इज द सिचुएशन देयर, ऐसे कुछ कॉमन सा कन्वर्सेशन के साथ तुम्हारे लेटर शुरू करो। सो जो 2-3 लाइन होंगे वो तुम्हारे कॉमन कन्वर्सेशन होंगे, जैसे हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, हाउ इज एवरीथिंग गोइंग ऑन, फैमिली में कैसे हैं, एटमोस्फियर वहां का कैसा है, इफ यू नो अबाउट सम रिसेंट न्यूज, तुम लोग वहां पे घूमने गए थे, आई होप तुमने बहुत इंजॉय किया होगा। ऐसे कुछ बिगिन करो लेटर में, ठीक है। डिपेंड करता है कि तुम किस टॉपिक के ऊपर लिख रहे हो। जैसे कि मैंने एक केस के बारे में मेरी मदर को बताए, तो फिर मैंने थोड़ा बहुत शेयर किया कोरोना के बारे में, फिर मेरी लोकेलिटी में कैसे आए, मुझे कैसे खबर मिले, दैट मैंने बताए। लेटर मेरे बहुत लंबा जाता है, ओके, लॉन्ग, आई स्ट्रेच इट वेरी लॉन्ग, बट आई मेक इट वेरी स्मॉल बिकॉज यू आर इन स्मॉल class, okay, you no need to write more, it is enough for you, okay. After writing all the details or body of the letter, we'll write the conclusion, right, conclusion, that means ending lines you see, after body you leave one line and write the conclusion or ending line, then leave 2 lines or 1 line, okay, it's okay, 2 or 1 lines, then you write the ending of your letter, okay. Ending a letter, that you here you can say that yes, this letter has been written by you and you are related to her, okay, with love, with lots of love, best of love, something, whatever you feel to write here. You're loving, you're affectionately, suppose you're writing to your best friend, you're also her or his best friend, na? Your best friend, then your name, likewise you can write. I hope you understood this informal letter. Now you can write by yourself, okay. Practice is more. When you practice, you learn more. So practice how to write. So many times you write letter, you start writing something every day, so that you can improve your writing skill, okay. Good day children, bye.